Hi there, I'm Lily, and I'm a super curious explorer. I've always dreamed of traveling the world and making amazing discoveries. I imagined climbing the tallest mountains and diving in the deepest oceans. But when Mum and Dad said we couldn't go on a big trip this summer, I was so disappointed. How can I be an explorer if I can't go anywhere exciting? Then I had an idea. What if I could be an explorer right here at home? I started looking at everything differently. Our street became a jungle to explore. The park was like a vast savanna, full of mysteries. I found a weird bug I'd never seen before. It was like discovering a new species. I learned about different kinds of clouds by watching the sky, and I made a map of all the best climbing trees in the neighborhood. But the biggest surprise was waiting in my own backyard. I found a tiny door at the base of our old oak tree. It was like magic. I imagined all sorts of fantastic creatures living behind that little door. That's when I realized that discoveries are everywhere if you just look closely. You don't need to travel far to find amazing things. Now, every day is an adventure, even if I'm just at home. So, what will you discover today? Remember, the greatest explorers are the ones who never stop being curious.